All right, special thanks to A Plus Choice. They sent me their men's body shaper sauna vest. So we're gonna unbag it and show you what it would look like. So these are made to be tight. I have the 4XL in size because the 3XL was way too tight, but I figured I could do a 4XL. So it's basically the same thing as the women ones in a lot of ways. You slide it on top of you. You've got this zipper that zips everything up. And then you even take these and pull them around as tight as you can. So let me show you what it looks like on me actually. All right, so this is the men's sauna vest. Zips up pretty easy, but it is tight. And then we've also got these little Velcro straps. They just kind of come around, make it even tighter. There's two of those. One at the bottom, one at the top. But if you were to get in the sauna with this thing, you would definitely sweat. I mean, I'm just in my house right now, and I'm sweating in this thing. I couldn't imagine working out in it, but you would drop some weight and sweat. This is a 4XL. I'm about 250 pounds. I'm fairly big, but yeah, this is it for the sauna vest. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.